At Vital Technologies, we believe that delivering world-class audiovisual experiences starts with empowering the people who make them possible, our partners. If you're one of them or would like to be one of them, start by hitting the subscribe button or following us to learn more about the world of high-end audio-video systems. As part of our mission, we recently brought together over 25 of our valued dealer partners for an exclusive hands-on training session led by two industry leaders, Mr. Frederic and Mr. Philip Jones from Sound United, now a part of Harman International. Traveling from Hong Kong and the USA respectively, they joined us in Dubai to share their deep expertise and decades of industry experience. The full-day session was packed with live demonstrations, practical workshops, and in-depth technical training focused on Bowers Wilkins' custom installation ecosystem. Partners got an insider look at products like the CDA2HD and Class A amplifiers and learned how to design, configure, and deploy these solutions for real-world projects. But beyond the technology, the training was about building capability and confidence, giving our partners the tools, insights, and hands-on experience they need to deliver signature Bowers & Wilkins performance in every single installation. This session is just one part of a larger effort at Vital Technologies to support our network not only with exceptional products, but with continuous education, expert guidance, and growth opportunities. Because when our partners succeed, our clients get the most immersive, high-performance audio-video experiences that they truly deserve. And that's what drives us every single day.